Yes, Chairman. I believe for a good manager to produce the results, the desirable results, the desirable results, the staff that is working with should also be happy with the working environment. And I understand there's been grumbling, having talked to some of the players, grumbling over some backlog of unpaid bonuses, which probably is causing maybe a gossip. What are you doing to ensure that so that the new coach has a good working environment and also players are delivering to their maximum?
I'm grateful for the question, the question you have asked. It has been no secret that we have had great financial challenges. This is something we have not made private. It's been there for the whole of last year. We struggled, for the previous year, we struggled to pay our coaches, we struggled to pay our players. And it is true that we owe players and even the technical bench certain winning bonuses. We do not owe players any salary. A bonus is what it means in English. It's not a rise. It's a bonus, it's an appreciation. And we always pay when we have it, and that has been our understanding with the players. Yes, we got sponsorship, but we had accumulated such debt that the whole of it is nearly absorbed there. But we want to give our commitment that any outstanding bonuses will be paid in due time. We've talked to the players. I would be grateful to know if that is why they're not scoring. Then I would go to a bank and very quickly get that money and pay them. But I think it happens. If you draw the example from Chelsea, when you come from championship, the expectations are high, the tensions are also high. And sometimes you have a downward trend. You know what's happening to those of us who may be fans of Chelsea. You feel pain. Sometimes in Arsenal, you go up and then you come down. Like that. So that is what we are going through. And of course, the coming of the sponsorship has also come with its own mashitani. Guys who now see that this is the time to become chairman of Gor Mahia, so that you are able to eat the money that comes with the sponsorship. So it's settling a lot of ripples. Others saying we want to be paid in full, and others of course saying we want to become the chairman of Gor Mahia because there is money now.